We've worked with the Unison Wolf project since 2014, since the launch, and we formed a really close working relationship with Bridget Hanley, the North Wales coordinator. She has enabled us to access the funding to tailor different programmes for colleagues which are really bespoke. We've done mental health first aid training, we've done mental health training for managers, and we've developed a resilience programme for colleagues as well.
So I have a very good choice of courses through Wolf, and there's courses such as the Office Admin IT, which I'm currently doing, time management and delegation, speaking and listening skills, presentation. I'm just really looking forward to doing them.
Our workforce, I think, have really benefited from accessing the funding because it's training that we maybe wouldn't have accessed if we hadn't had the funding. It's training outside of their core skills needed for the job, but still really important for their personal development and for the business.
The learning has impacted individuals in a number of ways. It's brought together people that wouldn't primarily sit in the same learning environment. So that's enabled kind of networking for a start. But more importantly, what it's done is it's provided skills to people that they wouldn't traditionally have been able to access.
We did a drugs and alcohol awareness programme for our colleagues. And actually the feedback was overwhelmingly positive, and that they had some sort of training previously, but it didn't give them the confidence then to tackle issues that they're coming across every day.
I think it'll benefit me now in the sense that I'm learning new skills that I can apply to the workplace, into the work setting, and being able to go into classes and meet new people who do different roles within different departments allows you to get a better grasp of how the whole system and the whole health board works as a whole. And I'd say it helped me in the future because these skills are then transferable onto different departments.
The union learning and the assistance that we've had from the Wolf funding providers has been absolutely invaluable to us. The resources that we've enabled staff to learn, they will really kind of take that learning on, and they will probably provide it on to other people. So some of the courses include things like coaching, so we would expect that that will deliver benefits for many years to come.
I think I'd greatly miss the opportunity if it wasn't available to me, and I think I've benefited a lot, a real lot, from being able to do these courses.